I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Afikim C3 mobility scooter, so stay tuned. I'm here with the Afikim C3. This is their 3-wheel mobility scooter. When you order, it's going to ship on a pallet like this in a box like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our knife and carefully cut these straps that are holding the pallet down. Then this lid should come right off. Then I believe on this you can also lift the sides up and easily access the scooter from there. And then there's some cardboard packing material holding it together, but the scooter is basically assembled from here. I'm going to remove this plastic so we can get a good look at it. Bring the seat up. And then on the left-hand side, there's a lever you can pull up so you can bring the seat all the way. We have right here is our headrest. We have our tiller right here. And then in order to bring the tiller up, there's a lever. You kind of pull that to the side and then you can lift the tiller up. When you let go, it will lock in that position. Now while we're here, we have the seat up. We have our headrest on the seat cushion. We're going to just go ahead and install this real quick. Kind of peel the plastic off. It'll go right back here. And that is adjustable as well. Now with the Afikims, I'm not sure if they hook up the batteries or not in shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and take the keys and we're going to check. So the keys are hanging right here off the zip tie, so I just cut that. And then I'm going to put the key in, turn the knob, see what happens. And I do have power, so it looks like that they come with the batteries hooked up from the factory. You don't have to take the seat off, don't have to take the shrouds out. You can hook it up. And I hear the motors engaging, so we are actually good to drive right off the pallet. That's very easy. Now what we're gonna have to do is unstrap it from the pallet. So there is this strap here. Be very careful, cut up and away from the scooter. You don't want to cut in and scratch it. We'll cut that out of the way. So now we're going to try to get this off the pallet. First thing I want to do before we do that, because I think we can just drive it off the pallet, there is some accessories underneath, so do this first, don't run them over. But they're kind of taped to the bottom here, so I'm just kind of pulling this tape up. And I'm going to slide these out of the way, especially because this is a 3-wheel and that front wheel will run over this. So I got it off the pallet, but the segment I recorded didn't have any audio, so I'm just going to have it shown in the corner of the screen. But getting this off the pallet was pretty easy. Make sure you get those accessories out from underneath. That's your charger, your mirrors, and your owner's manual. And then the front tire is kind of chalked, but the back, you can just drive it off. You just kind of back up, and it should back itself off the pallet. If you have a ramp, that'd be nice, but you should be able to just drive it out. It was very easy for me to do. Then I just started picking up everything, and now we got the scooter here. The mirrors go into these threaded holes on the tiller. There's a right and left one. You'll see a little R on this one for the right, and that's the left one I already have installed. There's a screw on the bottom that goes into this threaded hole. There's also a nut in there you can adjust if, for whatever reason, when it gets fully tight, it's sitting at a weird angle. So I'm going to go ahead and line this up, and then you just start threading it until it stops. And there we go. Mine's getting tight right about there. And you can adjust the mirror a little bit as you need, but that's how you mount the mirrors. This has been the unboxing and assembly of the Afikim C3 mobility scooter. This is their 3-wheel model. If you have any questions on the scooter, go ahead and give us a call. We'd love to help you out. I'm going to have a full review and demonstration in the link below, so you can go ahead and click that, and a link to this for any pricing information. That does fluctuate as time goes on, so just check those links. Or give us a call if you want to know what options are available. So once again, this is the Afikim C3. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.